Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila banlet puli, daka education loan, pila urban chukol hau number, kandai nyo, saw, san rio pranon, lani kandai pran rio laisan, tan riway kandai pran.
Hakasian ka kong hakani ka than chatay lamingi ka Department of Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs haringkat ka jing lang but ka United Nations World Food Program ka la Paidbah ya ka automated grain dispensing machine Annapurti ha ka dukan sam khaw ration ha Shillong ha ka arusan tre unailar araja pulai ha ka jing Paidbah ya ka machine la sakhilang da umentri katnat Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs ka sarkar jilla uba coming one ombon ka Country Director jong ka United Nations World Food Program ringkat bat ka Miss Elizabeth Faure ki officer na katnat Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs bat na ka NIC Meghalaya hakani ka ju usngi la Paidbah ru ya ka Monitoring Information System Dashboard on Retail Prices jong ki arpu artli ki jaj marbam hakani ka jila.
Yes, sir.
Got the ribbon. On behalf of our beloved state, I officially inaugurated this Annapurti machine. Yes.
Officer on special duty, the staff of the ministry and members of the community. So as the Honourable Minister mentioned, this is the first Annapurti machine in the northeast, and in fact India is the only country where WFP is working to have installed this kind of innovative solution. So I feel very proud that we were able to work on this together. Obviously, it's also an honor to be in the shop during the Diamond Jubilee, so very honored for that also. This machine, I believe, offers a lot of flexibility. It is the most compact of the machines that I've seen. I've seen a couple of others in other states, and this one is compact and looks like it's a very good model. Also, the fact that the shop is open until 9 p.m. means that the community members can use the machine outside of working hours, and I believe that must provide some flexibility to people who don't need to take off time from work in order to come and get their entitlements. It takes only 1 minute to achieve a full transaction, so and also because of its accuracy, this is another important aspect. So there's accuracy, there's speed, it should avoid the queues also, as I mentioned, coming after working hours, and it requires minimum labor also, this machine. There's an important aspect also that it can serve migrants also in the state, given the one nation, one ration card model. So it's really an honour, and I'd also want to thank my WFP colleagues, Ankit and Roderick, for working hard with the colleagues of the government here in setting up this machine. Thank you.
Of India. I congratulate the Supply Department and the World Food Program India for this new venture, and I hope this new machine will benefit NFSA beneficiaries of the state and the country. I also call upon each one of us to rise to the challenge by embracing challenge for the welfare of the state. With this technological platform, I believe it will improve our delivery mechanism for maximum efficiency and transparency. Therefore, with a great pleasure, I am honored to have this opportunity to officially inaugurate this Annapurti machine on behalf of the people of the state. Thank you so much.